Hello, my friends. It's so nice to see you today. Today, I want to tell you about something I love very much. It is my favorite hobby. A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time. It is not for work or school. It is something you enjoy, doing something that makes you happy. Hobbies can be different for everyone. Some people like sports, such as football or swimming. Some people enjoy music, like playing the guitar or singing. Some people love creative things, such as painting or writing stories. In my free time, I also have a hobby that I love. Today, I will share what my hobby is, why I love it, and how I do it. Maybe you will enjoy it too. Are you ready? Let's begin. My favorite hobby is reading. I love reading stories, novels, and magazines. Sometimes I also read on my phone or tablet. When I read, I can go to different places in my mind. I can meet new characters and learn about their lives. I can travel to other countries without leaving my home. Reading is fun and relaxing for me. It is something I can do anywhere at home, in the park, or even on the bus. I love reading because it makes me happy. It helps me relax after a busy day. When I read, I forget my stress and feel calm. Reading also helps me learn new things. I can learn new words in English. I can learn about history, science, and different cultures. Another reason I love reading is because it inspires me. When I read about brave or kind people, I feel motivated to be better in my own life. For me, reading is not just a hobby. It is a way to explore the world and to grow as a person. I read almost every day. I like to read in the evening before I go to bed. It helps me relax and sleep well. Sometimes I read in the morning while drinking a cup of tea. It is a peaceful way to start my day. I don't always read for a long time. Even 10 or 15 minutes is enough. Some days I read just one chapter. Other days, I read many chapters if I have more time. I also like to read in quiet places. I can focus better when it is calm and quiet around me. For my hobby, I don't need many things. The most important thing is a book. It can be a storybook, a magazine, or an e-book on my tablet. I also like to use a bookmark. It helps me remember the page where I stopped reading. At night, I sometimes use a small reading light. It is soft and gentle so my eyes don't get tired. That's all I really need: a book, a quiet place, and some free time. Reading makes me happy. Reading makes me feel happy. It is like taking a small holiday inside my mind. It helps me forget my worries and feel calm. After reading, I often feel more relaxed and peaceful. When I read an exciting story, I feel curious. I want to know what will happen next. Sometimes I read faster because I am so interested. I feel like I am part of the adventure. When I read a funny story, I smile or laugh. It makes my day brighter. Even if I am tired, a good joke in a book can make me feel cheerful again. Sometimes a book makes me feel inspired. I read about brave people, kind acts, and new ideas. These stories give me the courage to try new things in my life. They remind me that I can grow and improve every day. Reading also makes me feel proud. Each time I finish a book, I feel that I have learned something new. Sometimes it is a new word. Sometimes it is a lesson about life. Either way, I know my mind is growing. For me, reading is more than just a hobby. It is a friend that keeps me company, a teacher that shows me new things, and a key that opens the door to new worlds. Now, I want to ask you a question. What is your favorite hobby? Maybe you like cooking. Maybe you enjoy playing football. Or maybe you love drawing or singing. A hobby is something special. It is your time to relax and enjoy yourself. It is good for your mind and for your heart. I hope my story inspires you to spend more time doing what you love. You can also practice your English by talking about your hobby or writing about it in the comments below. I would love to read your stories. Thank you for watching.